Traffic disruption and concerns over public infrastructure draw the attention of the Edo State Public Property Protection Committee as officials carry out on-the-spot assessment at Idogbo bypass, Ikobaka local government area, where a heavy-duty truck conveying a cement can got trapped beneath the bridge after colliding with its overhead structure. The committee learned that the truck, operated by Buildware, is transporting the oversized equipment to Okpela, but is unable to pass beneath the bridge because of its height. In an attempt to free the vehicle, workers excavate part of the access road, prompting concerns over possible damage to the bridge and surrounding infrastructure. Residents who witnessed the incident condemned the development, saying the collision raises fears about the structural integrity of the bridge and leaves motorists stranded in a prolonged traffic gridlock.
5 days ago, we surprised where this go to Koya. This road now where we demolish. We got the destroyer for here, and the people road they repair for us. This road now, they don't condemn those fellows that take scatter around. If another reform, this road go block totally. 5 days. Here now it's not motoring everywhere block. From here, from Idogbo bypass to Agbero bypass, everywhere block up because of bad road and because of heavy truck material that we're using upon this road. We are begging the government to come and take care of this place.
The chairman of the committee, Eugene Okolosa, says the team earlier arrested the supervisor and is visiting the site the second time to ensure the company repairs the damaged section of the road after successfully removing the truck. He adds that some of the company's equipment will remain at the site while committee officials monitor the repair work before the vehicle is allowed to continue its journey.
What we saw here is something else, and we have asked them to make available all the number one. I've asked them to go and call the PS Minister of Work to come here to come and check the best way to repair this place. And they have agreed to repair it, but we have asked them to go and call them. Now we have said for the Minister of Work to do that. And we're going to leave some of our policemen here and some of our workers. And I've equally told the police to seize their keys. Let them come and do the repairs before we allow them to proceed on their job.
A representative of the company at the site and at the committee's office assures that the matter will be reported to the company's management for immediate remediation of the damaged road.
Chairman said
Similarly, the committee also marked several makeshift shops and structures located around the bridge for removal and gives occupants 14 days to vacate. The committee warns that the location poses serious safety risk and urged occupants to vacate the area immediately for public safety. From Idogbo bypass, I am Brenda Izu, reporting for JFM News.